Top 5 robotics projects you can build with IoT. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of innovation, technology, and futuristic creations. In today's video, we're exploring something truly cutting-edge, the intersection of robotics and the Internet of Things, IoT. Robotics on its own is powerful, but when combined with IoT, it becomes intelligent, responsive, and incredibly versatile. So get ready to take your robotics journey to the next level. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-savvy content just like this. Let's now dive into our list of the top 5 IoT-based robotics projects that you can start building today. Smart Surveillance Robot. Smart Surveillance Robot is an intelligent robotic system that can monitor your surroundings, detect unusual activity, and send live video streams to your smartphone or computer. How it works. The robot uses a camera to capture live footage, which is streamed over Wi-Fi to a remote device. Ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles, while motion sensors can trigger alerts if unusual movement is detected. Integration with an IoT platform enables remote control, real-time notifications, and data storage. Applications, home security, warehouse monitoring, remote area surveillance. 2. Voice-controlled IoT robot. This project combines the magic of voice recognition with IoT-based robotics. Imagine telling your robot to move forward, turn left, or stop, and it responds instantly, all powered by your voice. How it works. Using your smartphone's voice assistant, you give commands that are converted into machine-readable instructions. These instructions are sent via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to the robot. The IoT platform allows you to track commands, battery levels, and more in real time. Applications: assisting individuals with mobility impairments, voice-controlled toys, home automation assistance. This project is a great introduction to natural language processing, motor control, and the seamless integration of IoT devices. 3. IoT-based agricultural robot farming is becoming increasingly automated, and IoT-driven agricultural robots are at the heart of this transformation. This project helps monitor soil moisture, temperature, and other environmental parameters while automating irrigation tasks. How it works. The robot moves across the field collecting real-time data. If the soil is too dry, the system automatically triggers the water pump. The data is sent to an IoT dashboard, allowing the farmer to monitor conditions remotely. Applications: smart farming, automated irrigation systems, crop health monitoring. 4. IoT Garbage Collection. Urban areas face serious waste management issues, and this robot aims to make garbage collection smarter and more efficient. This robot can detect garbage levels in bins and collect or alert municipalities when bins are full. How it works. The robot moves through predetermined paths or via remote control. It detects if bins are full using ultrasonic sensors. The data is sent to a cloud platform, which can alert the municipal authority or trigger an automated collection sequence. Applications: smart city waste management, industrial waste monitoring, event cleanup robotics. 5. IoT Home Assistant Robot. This robot can interact with you, fetch objects, play music, or remind you of your daily tasks. An ultimate home companion powered by IoT. Components needed: Raspberry Pi with Wi-Fi, AI voice module, Google Assistant, Alexa SDK, etc. Cameras and microphones, servo motors and wheels, integration with smart home devices. How it works. The robot connects to your smart home network and understands voice commands to control lights, fans, or even read your calendar. It can also recognize faces and stream live feeds. With cloud integration, it can learn from your habits and adapt to your lifestyle. Applications: personal productivity, smart home automation, elderly care assistance. And there you have it. 5 powerful robotics projects you can build using IoT. Each of these projects offers a unique opportunity to apply your knowledge of electronics, programming, automation, and cloud computing. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced tech enthusiast looking for a challenge, these ideas can help you gain real-world skills while making something truly impactful. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start your own robotics project, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who are passionate about technology. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in tech innovation.